This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to choose a Minwax stain. With so many great products to make your project look amazing, the options can seem endless. So let's help you narrow it down. Starting with the most obvious question. What's your project? The size and scale of projects as varied as end tables, doors, or floors require different stain considerations to achieve the best results. And speaking of results, what do you want your final project to look like? Different stains will produce distinct looks, so it's good to start with the end in mind. Our wood finish oil-based penetrating stain is perfect for large surfaces and provides premium oil-rich color to interior unfinished or stripped wood furniture, cabinets, doors, trim, molding, and floors. Available in 30+ colors, it dries in just 2 hours, enhancing wood's beauty in just one coat. Minwax wood finish water-based stains allow you to choose from over 200 bold, tintable color options to lend to small projects like unfinished furniture and trim. Solid hides the wood grain, but maintains the texture, and unlike paint, it provides the true color while still penetrating into the wood. And semi-transparent color stains showcase the wood grain. With only 1 coat and 1 hour dry time, you achieve show-stopping results. Now, Minwax gel stain is especially effective for vertical surfaces. Its unique, non-drip formula evenly delivers uniform color on interior and exterior wood, and non-wood surfaces like metal, veneer, and fiberglass, giving you full control to achieve beautiful results. Without removing the existing finish, use Minwax POLYSHADES. It combines rich color stain and long-lasting polyurethane protection to enhance wood grain in one easy step. So, no matter your project, Minwax makes it easy to choose the ideal stain solution to ensure simple process, professional results. Thanks for watching.